Hey, folks, hey, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. I know what you're thinking. Okay, I know what you're thinking. You said, Wesley, I thought you were going to be more professional with your videos. I'm sorry. I mean, give me a second. I'm getting the studio hooked up in the penthouse, and I'm finally going to act like a rich person and actually have a legitimate studio. I'm going to get more serious with YouTube. But listen, this video here is going to be a goodie here, okay? Um, how to picture success using your mind. And as a matter of fact, we're going to do this like me and you, we're going to do this together because I get it. A lot of you you don't know what you're doing, okay? And I appreciate you guys liking and subbing to the channel here, but you don't know what you're doing. I didn't know what I was doing in my 20s, but I figured it out. As a matter of fact, let me prove to you on something. Watch this. Let me show you something here. Okay? You see this video right here? So that's me. Yeah, I know, like a bald-headed, like peanut head looking crazy. But look at that. I recorded this video in 2011, 9 years ago, 233 views, how to picture your success. I mean, I was talking about this back then, okay? Obviously, my delivery sucked, wasn't the best communicator, but I was talking about this 9 years ago, okay? So, guess what? Now, it's 2021, and I'm rich, baby. So, something worked out 9 years ago. So, in this video here, and this is straight from my course, The Genie Script. A lot of people are asking about my course. And listen, if you want to get it. But listen, I want to help you. So guess what? I'm going to give it to you for free, okay? So if you want to get the course, I always leave it in the bio below. But here, I'm going to explain to you very quickly how to picture your success. Hold on. Let me shut the bathroom here. Hold on. I want you guys to see my drawers. Hold on. Get out of here. Hey, get out of here. Okay, we good now. All right, look. So listen, step number one, write this down. And this is for anybody that's trying to learn how to picture success, because success has to be pictured, okay? And I'm explaining. Listen, first step is this. You have to define what success means to you. As a matter of fact, comment below. What does success means to you? You know, I hear people in my DMs sending me messages. Wesley, I want to be successful. Wesley, I want to be successful. Okay. What does that mean to you? Like, how would you know that you are now a successful person? Okay. Many of you are like, oh, when I get $1 million. Listen, stop. Okay. It's not about $1 million. Okay. First of all, $1 million can't do much. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you. I know what you're thinking. Well, Wesley, that's easy for you to say. Listen, success has to be something deeper for you, okay? But until you can reach something, you have to have a destination. Like, I can't get in my car and the desire to drive I want to drive, right? But if I don't have a destination, I'll be driving. I say, I want to go somewhere nice. I want to go somewhere beautiful and great, but I don't have a destination, okay? Does that make sense? Which means is you as an individual, not Wesley Virgin, okay? You don't have to do what I do. Like, I'm crazy, right? No clothes, because this is what success means to me. Recording videos, butt naked, hanging out in the bed by myself. I mean, let's get it. I love it. You know, it's fun. Making videos for you. So this is success for me. Smile on my face. It's success for me, right? Having beautiful white teeth is a success for me. So the question for you is this. What does success mean to you? See, until you define that, this is straight from my course, by the way. Until you define what success means to you, well, you just be the person in the car driving, hoping to land on the beach, okay? You got to know that first. You can't picture something that you don't even know what it looks like. Does that make sense? Here, smash the like button here. I know what you guys thinking. Wes, I love you so much. I appreciate that. Listen, it's number one. Write that down. Go get a sheet of paper. Like, if you're in your bedroom, I want you to smash the like button, okay? If you butt naked like me, smash the like. I'm just kidding. I'm not naked. I just don't have a shirt on, okay? I don't want this video to get flagged. So show me some love, please. Listen, you got to define what it means to you. It's important, okay? Because you'll be making money, you'll be buying things, and you still feel that you're not successful, okay? Now, once you determine what success means to you, you have to act like you're successful now. Does that make sense? Okay? Let me say that one more time. Listen, stay with me here. As soon as you define what success means to you, Pookie, Ray Ray, Rashonda, Tamika, Jim, Patricia, Jennifer, forgot your name right, smash the like button. Then, once you know what it means to you, and once you discover how you would know that you are successful, you have to act that way now. Even if you're broke. I know some people, but what if I'm broke? Yeah, listen. If you have no money in your bank account, say amen. If you're not making enough money, say amen. If you're going to church every day praying to God, say amen. If you're the person you have a 9-to-5 job right now, and you hate your 9-to-5 job, I get it. Say amen. Well, despite the adversity, okay, and despite the situation that you're in right now, you have to act as if you're already successful. Whatever that means. Listen, if I want to be a great singer, and as a matter of fact, I'm going to sing for you guys because I'm a great singer. I'm going to sing. Smash the like button if you want me to sing. Listen, if I want to be a Drake, an amazing artist, okay, selling albums, I have to be a great singer right now in my bedroom on my air mattress, okay? No one knows me. YouTube doesn't know me. SoundCloud. But I got to be an amazing, hello? I have to act as if I am an amazing singer now. Now listen, it's no guarantee that you're going to win all those Grammys and that you're going to make all that money. But listen, almost every artist that I know personally, they all said, Wesley, I knew it was going to happen before it actually took place in the third dimensional world. Okay? Does that make sense? And yes, I'm going to sing to you at the end of the video. Don't worry. Relax. Now, this is how you picture success using your mind. This is what I did. This is how I went from the broke poorhouse to the penthouse. True story. I'm talking to you from the top of my heart. I'm sorry, not my chest, my heart. Okay? Listen. And this is straight from my course that I'm going to put below in the link. Listen. You have to use your 5 senses when you're picturing your success. Which means is, if I think that success is getting up in the morning, okay, not waking up to an alarm clock, and have my chef prepare my meals, and have my house manager and my maid clean my house, okay, being able to work and create this nice, sexy body, okay, I have to picture that by using my 5 senses. What do I see? All right, I can see the chef. She's bringing my meals. What do I smell? I can smell that goddamn bacon. I smell that bacon and it's crackling. What can I hear? I can hear the bacon crackling on the grill. And I'm in the bed, by the way. Okay. What can I feel? Okay. Well, I can feel the fork that the chef handed me to eat my meals. Okay. Does it make sense? To picture success, you have to use your 5 senses because that's how we perceive the world. When you see somebody, when you look, you're perceiving, Do you like the person? Do you not like the person? If you see a person, listen, if I was wearing a white coat right now, okay, a white coat, you may think I'm a doctor, right? A doctor's jacket. Just by looking at me. You know nothing about me, but if you saw me like wearing a suit, you may think I'm a business person. Does that make sense? So what I'm saying is, we use our 5 senses to interpret and to make opinions about the world, the environment. Your brain does that every single day. Right now, you're listening to my voice. Right now, you're looking at me, all right? You can hear me as well, right? You have to use all those senses to interpret this information here. It's the same thing that your brain does when you think about your dreams and your goals. But what you're not doing, you're not picturing what it is. You got to picture. What's the image? Close your eyes. What does that image look like? If you made a decision, you say, you know what, success means having a profitable business, earning $10,000 a month, traveling once per month around the world, telling my parents that they can retire from their jobs, then guess what? Okay? You're using your senses to make it real in the mind. Why do you think, how many of you have dreams? Have you ever noticed when you sleep and you dream, it seems and appears to be real? Okay, comment below, yes. Like, when you sleep, you in your bed, laying down, being lazy, right? Sleeping too much, and you're broke, but you're sleeping like a baby, dreaming dreams. Some of you have good dreams and bad dreams. But listen, didn't that dream feel like it was real? Some of you wake up in a cold and some of you don't want to wake up because it was so good, if you know what I mean. Does that make sense? So picture and imagine as if you're dreaming when you're picturing your success while you're conscious. Like right now, I can picture more success. Listen, I can picture myself in my new penthouse. I can have a beautiful laptops right in front of me, streams in front of me. Behind me, it says King West right here as well, in lights. I'm on the 50th floor looking out of Houston, looking out the glass at Houston, Texas here, right? And I can be delivering to my audience here. I can picture that. I can picture the lights, the color that's in the room. I can picture the table, the desk, the furniture. I can picture the $10,000 couch that's going to go right in front of my desk. And I can picture the glass that's going to be behind me. And all you're going to see is the beautiful Houston city in the background. Okay? Does that make sense? Smash the like button. Okay? That's it. That's how you picture your success using your mind. First step, you have to know what success means to you. If you have not taken out a sheet of paper and say, hey, Wesley, what does success mean to you? How would you know that you're a successful person? Listen, you'll never get there. You'll read all the books. You'll go to all the seminars. You'll watch all the motivational videos, and it'll never take place for you. Not because you can't, and not because you don't have the capability. It's because you're not clear about what success means to you. Success means something different for me than it does for you. Does that make sense, big head? Okay, now I need you to smash that like button and sub to the channel because more videos are coming. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. And below, I have a course, okay? You can try it out, test drive it, but you got to capitulate. You got to surrender to me. Got to trust me. Hey, I got to, come on. Don't I look honest? I love you guys so much. This is Wesley.